Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi. I have a card video tutorial for you today. I needed thank you cards to send out after Christmas and I don't have any thank you cards in my stash, so I have to make some. I used this cute ski bear from My Favorite Things called Ski Sun's Greetings stamp set. I will stamp the bear onto 90-pound Strathmore watercolor paper with Jenna-K amalgam ink. Usually when I do watercoloring, I always emboss my image with clear embossing powder, but I'm skipping that today. This Jenna-K amalgam ink can be used with any mediums you have, like alcohol markers, watercolors, and colored pencils. I will be using my Zig Clean Color Real Brush markers to color my image today. After I colored my image, I did fussy cut it with craft knife and scissor. I think this stamp set has coordinating dies that you can buy, but I don't have that die, so I did fussy cut my image. My panel is 140-pound Strathmore watercolor paper. I used 2 of my Daniel Smith watercolor paints. I mixed duochrome oceanic and cobalt teal blue and paint it on the panel. The duochrome oceanic gives a little bit of shimmer on the paper and I really like the color. I did super simple coloring here and just apply the color on the paper. I will use this die from Concord 9th called Swirl Dies. I will use this one for my background. I will tape down my die on my panel so it doesn't move when I run it through my die cutting machine. You can snip these dies apart and you can use it for smaller panels, but I'm not going to snip apart this one because I like the way it is. I really like the stitching swirls on the paper. I'm going to die cut my panel again with Gina Marie Design Stitch Rectangle die set. I used the largest die from the set. So here is my die cut panel ready to go. I will poke out all the dots from the paper. You don't have to remove them, but I thought it would look nice to see my light blue card base peeking through in the dots. I will also use this thank you die from Concord 9th. I die cut 3 from white cardstock and 1 from Concord 9th Summer Glitter Paper Pack. And I will stack them together so it will have a little bit of dimension and I don't have to use foam tape. And I use glossy accents to put them together. And now it's time to adhere my panel on my card base and I'm using liquid glue. And my card base is light blue cardstock that I have in my stash and it measures 5.5 by 4 1/4 inches. I use glossy accents to adhere my thank you die cuts and foam tape on the back of the bear and I will adhere it on the upper part of the card. For my embellishment, I added stardust stickles to look like there is snow on the bear's ski and sticks. I also added some of the clear snowflakes from Studio Katia. I scattered them on the upper part of the card. And my card is finished. So this one is the one I made in the video. I made more than one card today. I made 7 thank you cards in total to send out after Christmas. I colored the bears with different colors, and I also die cut different colors of glitter paper from the Concord 9th glitter paper pack. As always, thank you so much for always watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. I hope you like today's cards, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.